How to check Instagram comment history. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple, so just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Instagram. And once you do that, navigate to your profile page. Then after that, click on the three lines at the top right corner. Then click on your activity. And here you will see this section that's called interactions. From there, click on comments. And you will get to this page right here, in which you will be able to find all of your comment history on Instagram. As you can see, you can filter them from newest to oldest or oldest to newest, and you can also filter them by date range, authors, etc. So that was it for this video. That's how you can see and find your comment history on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.